Hey Stuart, how's it going? This is Sisco from Amplify Digital Marketing. I spoke with Susan earlier last week. Hope you had a great Memorial Day weekend. I promised I would send out this video, just giving you guys some few ideas as far as what you can be doing out be your competition online, and just currently letting you how well you currently are doing. So let's just jump right to it. So Stuart, looking at your website, it's a good looking website, by the way, just at first glance. Some of the things that I'm looking at is I'm looking at your content. Do you have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content for one? And then I'm looking at your keywords. Do you have keywords within your content? And the reason why is because basically a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And you want to have those keywords within your content. For example, if you're doing air conditioning and repair in bradenton, I hope I'm saying this right, in Bradenton, because you service them, right, or any of these local areas, then you want to make sure you're being ranked for in those specific areas. Now, some of the things that's going to help me understand that, if we jump over to this tab here, this is a tool called Ahrefs, helps me understand how well your website's performing. So this section here, so this is your strength or your authority score, and you're currently being indexed at 18, and this is your trust flow or your trustworthy score at 25. So looks like you're climbing. Okay, so this is really good, and you're probably wondering, well, what's a good score for my website? I would say anything over 30. Now, anything over 30 is a great score. Now, both of them, though, being over 30, okay, which is called like the golden ratio, meaning that you want them to be very close to each other. Over 30, that is a really strong website. Now, some of the things that contribute to these scores is your backlinks, okay? You currently have close to 2,000 with 415 referring domains. Now, a backlink or link is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Now, these links, they act like an endorsement for your website, and it builds trust with Google. However, not all of these backlinks are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get relevant links within your industry or even local websites. Okay, for example, if you were to get a link, let's say from a local pizzeria, it could hinder your overall scores. The reason why is because you're not in the food industry. The last thing I want to show you is what you're currently being indexed, what keywords you're currently being indexed for. And I'm looking for buyer intent keywords. And what I mean about that is this guy right here. Look at this one. Air conditioning repair, Bradenton. The reason being is because, one, this is a specific service you offer. So anytime anybody's searching for this, guess what? They're going to be a client that truly need your services. Second is Bradenton, because this is the area that you service. So that's also crucial to have on your website and be indexed for this keyword, because you're going to start getting clients within the Bradenton area. Now, this is the volume, meaning an estimated amount of times that people are searching for this on Google every single month is 150. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you is your position. Your current position for this keyword is 13. Okay, so something to really note as far as what this means is you're probably looking at the second or third page of Google, and the goal is to be at number 1. Now, let's just take this keyword, okay, and type it into Google, and let's see what is going to show up for this specific keyword. First section here is the Google Guarantee section or the Google Ads section, okay? So these are folks that are currently paying for these Google Ads, but every time you click on them, they're going to get a CPC or a cost per click, but they're getting a call to their business. And this section here is the same thing. Now, this is the Google My Business page. And look, here you guys are doing a great job in that area. Clearly, you're going to be getting a lot of calls, right, because of the number 1 spot on Google My Business page. Now, great job, which is why it's one of my favorites on here. This last thing I want to go over is your organic listings, okay? So this is where these positions take into effect. Now, we got Yelp, Angie's List, these are citation sites. We have Cool Today, they got the number 3 spot. We got Better Business Bureau, another citation site. We got Anthony's Cooling Heating and One Air. And then we got Dell Air. right? And then AC warehouse, right? So these are what Google's doing is they're organically listing these companies as far as the rankings go. Now let's just take Cool Day and see what they're doing, okay? And as far as why they're being ranked number 3. So right away I'm looking at their keywords. They got a bunch of keywords here. Now let's see how well they're performing. Let's just look at Ahrefs. Okay, the same tool that I use to understand your website's performance. Now look, 8 is a little lower, but look at their trust. They're at 46, which this helps a lot when it comes to their website. They currently have no backlinks, and the reason being is because their overall website, cooltoday.com, without this back page, this page has a lot of work that they're doing, right? They got a lot of backlinks, so it's giving power to this specific webpage. Now, those are just some of the things, okay? Those are just some of the things that contribute to those things, Stuart. Now, let's just look at their organic keywords and see what they're currently being ranked for, just to finish off the video. So if we look at the same one, air conditioning repair, Bradenton, 150, but look, their position is number 3. Now, a lot of factors taken into consideration here when it comes to just having that organic top spot is their website, how it got developed, and then also their backlinks. Anyhow, Stuart, just wanted to give you this video, just an educational video as far as how well your website's performing, how well you're doing against your competitors, and clearly you're on your way to continue increasing your overall digital presence. And I will love your feedback. If it's impossible, go ahead and email me back. Was this information helpful or not? Like I said, no harm, no foul. If you decide to take this information and run with it, no harm, no foul. Once again, no strings attached to this tour, but I would love your feedback. So thank you for your time, and we'll talk to you soon.